This tutorial is about desaturating the photo to be able to get a kind of dreamy, sort of partially colored look, kind of just a dreamy, old-fashioned, hand-tinted look to your photo. First, make sure you've opened the photo that you want to use in Photoshop Elements, and then for my digital photography class, I would like for you to make sure that you are picking a photo that has some pretty good color in it. So maybe one of your flower photos or one of a person that's got some color in it, got some different stuff in it. I happen to have a picture of Emma at the ocean. So the first thing that you're going to do is over in the layers palette, you're going to use the half black, half white circle to create a Hue Saturation adjustment level. So the Hue Saturation, you're going to click on that, which will bring up a window that allows you to play with the color, the saturation of that color. You are going to use the saturation slider and pull that towards the left, which actually is taking away the color. If you go all the way to 100, you will make that photo black and white, and that is how you make a black and white photo. But we don't want to completely get rid of the color. We want some of the color. So somewhere in the 50s to 60s, kind of just bring that color down. And then once you have that, you're going to go ahead and push OK. And you'll notice that the colors are slightly muted, not bright and crisp, but a little less. And then push OK. The next thing we're going to do is add some contrast to really pop that hand-tinted look out. So we're going to use the adjustment levels again, layer again, which is half black, half white, and you're going to click on Photo Filter. The photo filter gives you all kinds of filters that you can put through your photo. We're going to play with it a little bit, and on where the word where it says filter, we're going to go down to the word sepia, which is S-E-P-I-A. Go ahead and click that, and you'll notice that it's going to give us kind of a brownish color. We are going to turn the density of that filter all the way to 100%. So it's going to put a brown, light browned color over the top of our photo. Make sure that your preserve luminosity so that the photo is see-through still is clicked to make sure that is checked, and then push OK. Now we don't want the photo to stay brown, we want that dreamy hand-tinted look to come through. So make sure the photo filter layer is selected by clicking on it, and then come up to this bar, which is the blending mode bar. And you can see if you hover on that, it sets the blending mode. And we want to add that to soft light. It's kind of like a soft light being shown through the photo. And if we put it on soft light, you'll notice that it now is just a slight brown to that. So we kind of get this dreamy hand-tinted look on our photo. Now, to save our photo, you are going to go up to File, Save As, because we do want to change it back to a JPEG so we can use it for other things. So File, Save As should bring up your pop-up window. Go ahead and call this photo hand tinted, and then make sure you change the format to a JPEG. Make sure you change it to the JPEG format. And then make sure that you go to My Computer, make sure that you are saving in the folder here at school that has your name, and then you want to put that in there as hand-tinted, and then push Save. That, and then push OK. So that is how we're going to hand-tint, create kind of a dreamy look on our photo.